Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to perform a t-test in Google Sheets. This statistical function is incredibly useful when you need to compare two sets of data and determine if there's a significant difference between them, making it essential for anyone working with data analysis or research. First, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard, where you can access all your files and documents. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet document where you want to perform your t-test. This should be a sheet that already contains the data you need to analyze, or you can create a new one if you're starting fresh. Now, before we dive into the actual formula, let me explain what we're working with. The t-test formula in Google Sheets follows this structure equals t.t-test, followed by 4 parameters in parentheses. These parameters are range, range2, tails, and type. Understanding what each of these means will help you use the formula correctly. The first 2 parameters, range and range2, are simply the 2 sets of data you want to compare. The third parameter, tails, determines whether you're running a one-tailed or two-tailed test. You can enter 1 for a one-tailed test or 2 for a two-tailed test, which is the most commonly used option in statistical analysis. The fourth parameter, type, specifies what kind of t-test you're performing. You have 3 options here. Type 1 is for a paired t-test, Type 2 is for a 2-sample equal variance test, and Type 3 is for a 2-sample unequal variance test, also known as Welch's t-test, which is the most common choice for general data comparison. Let's put this into practice. Click on an empty cell where you want your t-test result to appear. Type equals t.t-test, and you'll see Google Sheets start to recognize the function. Now for the first range, click on the first cell of your first dataset, then hold down the Shift key and click on the last cell of that range. This selects your entire first data group. Add a comma to move to the next parameter. Now repeat the process for your second range. Click on the first cell of your second dataset, hold Shift, and click on the last cell to select the entire range. Add another comma. For the tails parameter, type 2, since we're using the more common two-tailed test, add another comma. For the type parameter, type 3 to use Welch's t-test, which handles unequal variances between your datasets. Finally, close the formula with a closing parenthesis and hit the Enter key. Your t-test result will now appear in the cell, giving you a p-value that indicates whether there's a statistically significant difference between your two datasets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.